Want to connect with your Shopify customers instantly and boost sales? Let's add a WhatsApp button to your store in under 90 seconds. First, you'll need your Shopify store admin access login and head to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand navigation menu, find and click on the Apps section. In the Shopify App Store, type WhatsApp into the search bar. You'll see several options. Choose an app that fits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll use a popular and straightforward option. Once you've selected an app, click on the Add App button. Review the app permissions, and if you're comfortable, click Install App. Now, you'll be taken to the app settings page within your Shopify admin. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter your WhatsApp phone number, including the country code. Make sure the number is active and linked to your WhatsApp account. Some apps also allow you to customize the button's appearance, like its color or position on your store. After saving your phone number and any customizations, the app will automatically add the WhatsApp button to your Shopify store. You might need to refresh your store's homepage to see it. And there you have it, a clickable WhatsApp button ready to receive inquiries. This makes it super easy for your customers to get immediate support, ask questions, and ultimately increase trust and potential sales. Give your customer service a serious upgrade. It's that simple.